I spent 12 hours yesterday, near as I can remember, doing that. Raking, sitting on the 8N over there, raking, burning, pushing burn pile up. That burned all night. I got up this morning and pushed her up again. I don't know, over this little chunk right here. Let's say little chunk. For me, that's a pretty good piece of land. But I'm betting, having loaded hundreds of semis with bark over the years, I'm going to say there was probably at least 100 yards, 150 yards of slash from the mulcher that I wanted to clean up here. Now this part down there, I'm just going to let that go back into the ground. Go out there and go clear through it and cut off the stubs and stuff so it doesn't beat my brush hog up any more than it is. I'm afraid I've done some irreparable, is that how you say it? Irreparable harm to my brush hog, beating stuff up. I'll have to get into that, but so that's what I'm doing this morning. Watching my burn pile. I was lucky that the weather yesterday, it was calm, it was humid, but the wind didn't get over 2 or 3 miles per hour all day long, all last night, and today it's supposed to be calm. So, plus, as you see, I've got a water hose right there. That's why I've been raking everything up. I got 150 foot of hose so I can keep this under control. I'd hate, and plus it's all dirt, so I don't think it's going to be a problem. The only bad part about doing that yesterday was I didn't have a view. My new view was gone. It was obscured by smoke all day long. There's still a little bit of smoke floating down there. Even when I was on the tractor was a pain because the wind, only at 2 or 3 mile an hour, it was just floating here, but it was floating around and about like it is now, but that cloud's going up. But this cloud was just drifting down through the fields and hanging everywhere. So, my part for global warming, I'm in favor. I'm going to get in trouble for that, ain't I?